If your gas fireplace flame is yellow instead of blue, that usually means the combustion is off and you need to fix it fast for safety and efficiency. Okay, so first things first. Clean those burner jets because dirt and debris can mess up the flame color. You want to shut off the gas completely before you do anything, no shortcuts here. After cleaning, check the air shutter to make sure it's not blocked. This controls how much oxygen mixes with the gas, and oxygen is what gives you that nice blue flame. Also, inspect the gas pressure. If it's too low or too high, your flame will go yellow. Sometimes the pilot light might be dirty or weak, so give that a look too. If you notice soot or a bad smell, that's a sign you need to act quickly and maybe call a pro. Regular maintenance every year keeps your fireplace burning clean and safe. And don't forget to keep the area around the fireplace clear and well ventilated to avoid any buildup of harmful gases. One of the biggest issues with a yellow gas fireplace flame is poor combustion due to dirty burner jets, which you can fix by cleaning or replacing them. Another common problem is incorrect air-to-gas ratio caused by blocked air shutters. Just clean or adjust those shutters to get the right mix. The third frequent mistake is ignoring gas pressure problems. If your pressure is off, the flame color changes, so have a technician check it if you're unsure. Fixing these problems not only improves efficiency, but also prevents dangerous carbon monoxide buildup. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their way around gas fireplaces and other home fix-ups. If you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid place to find homeowners who really need your skills.